it's my MGB GT Brandy. And Brandy, the poor thing, has been locked up in her garage since last year. When did we put her away? Autumn?
She didn't even get much use last year.
No, she didn't get much use. She was oiled to within an inch of her life and pushed into this fantastic garage out of the back of a lorry. Coated her in oil so she wouldn't rust, and she has been there ever since. Because I have not been in any condition to drive her, unfortunately.
And you're still not?
Still not, but we have a little mini car show barbecue planned for the weekend, so we're going to bring her out. We're going to see if she starts, we're going to see if she'll come out. So, do you reckon the battery will work? Do you think I'll be able to get in it?
I don't think you'll be able to get in it.
I don't know if I'll be able to get in it. Right, let's shift this ladder.
If I get the ladder, I've got this just in case.
Just in case. Although it has a protective layer of crud all over it and a couple of dead spiders and flies. Let's see if she'll start. Right, I'm going in.
Sure you're going to get in?
Yeah. I might not be able to get out.
And she's in!
I'm not in! Oh my god.
Who's steering? You or the baby?
Both of us. Oh man. Right. We try the battery. Oh, we've got an interior light. Light. Right. We are out of gear.
Rusty.
See if it's going to prime.
Fuel bowls, we need to check them.
See if it'll stop. Oh,
Ooh.
it's perfect. I think we're ready to go for a start. You ready?
Yep.
Yep.
Oh no.
Starter sounds a bit wonky, but it's alright.
That's flat battery.
It's not flat battery. It's just a clicky starter. Right, we'll put some choke on. Don't know if she sounds happy today. Right, you ready? Yep. Oh my god, she started!
Get that wheel off.
Get this oil off.
She's running well, Missy.
She is. I can't believe it. You know what? This car, even though they've got a reputation for being, you know, sometimes a little bit unreliable, she's never let me down. She's always started.
It's a good thing.
She really She wants to be out on the road, is what she wants.
Thing of beauty.
Yeah, we're just gonna get up to temperature and blow those cobwebs away. What do you think? I mean, it's not looking too bad, really, considering she's been neglected.
I quite like the satin finish of the oil.
I mean, it's definitely greasy. I mean, we have coated everything in oil, so it wouldn't rust. I don't know how it's managed to get a bird poo on it, but... Right, here we go. She's out of the container, and as you can see, she's absolutely filthy. This is how we store the cars over the winter. Basically, they get covered in oil, duck oil on top, oil underneath, and put into a well-ventilated lorry back container or garage, whatever we got, or the workshop. But Brandy has her own container. There we go. And it, as you can see, it has held off any corrosion. This was in there before, but hasn't got any worse. So on MGs, you've always got to watch along these top seams. This one's fine. We have got a little bit on this side. That was like that before we put it in. The oil has done the business and kept it at bay. And this front seam as well. Now, Brandy is due to be on the channel as a project, but it's not going to be for a long time yet. And we will be doing a seam delete on the top of the wings and the quarters. Just have a smooth finish on that. Also stops any moisture getting in. But I think she deserves a bloody good wash. So we're going to take her down to the workshop, get her all scrubbed up and shiny for the Platinum Jubilee weekend. It is shocking Jubilee weather on Sunday. It's going to be torrential rain and thunderstorms. So there's not much point in me doing a full valet on Brandy. So she's going to be treated to some showroom shine. We're going to see if it'll get the oil off. And just give her a little buff before she has to go outside anyway and sit in the rain, poor thing. Oh, it wasn't her weekend.
It wasn't. Would you like some assistance?
I'd love some assistance, please, if you wouldn't mind.
I'm assisting.
Go around it again with some fresh shine and some clean microfibers, and then we'll show you what it looks like. Yep. Right, there we go, look, the layer of oil is off it. It's looking alright. It's not in its best condition. The paint is looking quite cloudy, especially on the bonnet, and it sounds terrible. But I do not have the time, or am I in the condition to clay bar it and come back, polish it or anything else. So this is the best it's going to be getting. But no, I do love this car. I've had this car for quite a few years now. When did I buy this car? 2017, 16, 17. And no, she's done me proud. She is glorious. So we shall be putting her outside tomorrow to sit with all the other cars that come into the barbecue. And she's going to look great.
It does look great. Do you want to tell us a couple of mods you might have done?
Oh, the best mod on the car. You have to see this. I don't know if you've ever driven an MG, but the seat belts in the standard position are all the way back here. But these mods on the seat belts, on the headrests, you can slip the seat belts in like that, and it keeps it next to you, so you can grab it. It's an easy reach. One of the best mods you can do in an MGB. It has a walnut effect dash, but I didn't put that in. That is a little upgrade for it. I did the rear seats to match the sport seats at the front in the same ruched leather. That's really nice. Walnut door handles, I changed them because there was no way I was running around with standard door handles. No way. It's got billet window winders, extra chromey bits. It's just a little bit more chrome. Oh, the top of the gear knob. Changed the gear knob to a wooden one to match the wheel. Right, the amazing thing is, everything works.
That is amazing.
Inside. It is amazing. Everything
Good old
works.
British car, everything works. It doesn't happen every day.
It doesn't happen every day. Changed the stereo to one of those Chinese classic retro looking ones.
It actually is not a bad little upgrade, that.
Not bad little upgrade, looks in keeping.
Yeah.
It's got Bluetooth, hands-free, everything. Job's a good one. But the best modifications, they're under the bonnet. Should we have a look at them?
Better had.
Here we go. Now the engine bay has had a few modifications. Can you see? Do you need a torch?
No, it's really clear.
Number one, stainless steel exhaust. Bought for me by my lovely fiance Lewis for a birthday present. Can you see it in there?
Yeah, the branch manifold there.
So we've got a full stainless steel front to back. Makes a huge change to the.
That sounds
amazing.
amazing.
It does sound amazing. Absolutely amazing. We've got the K&N air filters. Very nice. They were lovely chrome dashpot covers, but they look like they've gone a bit tarnished, to be fair. They need a polish. That's loose. Ooh, right, there we go. Got a lovely, what's the word? Rocker head cover. Very nice. But chrome grille. That's a nice add-on as well. But no, it's had a lot of things replaced. It's got electronic ignition, nice HT leads, got new temperature gauge. That is a pain in the butt to change, that thing. It was right from the front, all this coily cable all the way to the inside the cab. You've got to be like Houdini, upside down, inside out, under the dash. But she runs amazingly well. I still can't believe she started first time after all that time in storage.
I think we need to hear it.
Should we start it up again?
Fire it up, leave the bonnet open.
Oh.
Let's hear it. Have a listen to the exhaust note, shall we? Sounds amazing. Go on.
As you can see, this is why I'm not driving Brandy at the moment.
The baby steering.
The baby's driving. But how cool does she sound?
Sounds amazing.
Oh, she's dying to get back out on the road.
She is.
Next summer.
Next summer.
Next summer, she'll be back on the road again. I'm gonna get out now. thank you very much for watching. I know it's a short episode, but we're really getting busy for our
Yeah, we're very busy getting ready for our little shindig that we're doing.
shindig tomorrow.
We're hoping everything goes alright, and if it does, we might do a yearly event.
We might be doing our own
We might
yearly
even start
event.
our own car club.
Oh my god, the possibilities.
Who'd be interested in joining our crappy club?
It would be the best crappy club though.
It would be a good club.
It would.
So, that's all we have time for you today.
It is, right.
Thanks for joining us. Different video.
Different.
A little walk around one of our own cars.
Yeah. Brandy will be coming back on the channel on a future date for a run full restoration. Don't know when.
One day.
One day when we've worked through the backlog.
Yes, quite a backlog.
It's quite a backlog.
It's quite a backlog.
But there we go. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
See you soon.
And check out our merch store. Check
Oh,
out the
yeah,
website, check out our
merch
merch store. Yeah.
Every little helps.
That's about it. Thanks,
Bye.
guys. Bye.